Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file your California sales and use tax return online, step by step. We'll walk through the entire process, from logging into the system to successfully submitting your return. This guide aims to make the filing process clear and straightforward, helping you meet your obligations efficiently. Let's get started and simplify your sales tax filing experience today. First, you'll need to access the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration's online services. Head to their official website and locate the login portal. If you already have an account, simply enter your username and password. For new users, you will need to register for an account using your seller's permit number and other required business information. This initial step ensures you can securely access your filing dashboard. Once logged in, you will navigate to the Sales and Use Tax Return section. Here, you'll accurately input your total gross sales for the reporting period. Next, carefully enter any eligible deductions, such as sales made for resale or sales to governmental entities. The online system will then automatically calculate your net taxable sales and the corresponding tax amount due. Double-check these figures to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you have entered. Ensure that your sales figures, deductions, and calculated tax are correct. Once satisfied, select your preferred payment method. Options typically include electronic funds transfer or credit card. After making your payment, confirm the submission of your return. Remember to save the confirmation number for your records, completing your filing process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.